welcome back. My name is RJ.
And I'm Oleanah.
Today we're making grilled cheese sandwiches with sweet potato skillet. And today's special guests are the Fossil Hunters.
Hello.
Hi, Mr. Neil. Hi, Miss Sunny.
Hi, Mr. Bill. Hi, Miss
Good to
Sunny.
be here.
Awesome.
So you ready to make grilled cheese sandwiches?
Yes, that
with...
kind of weather that's great for making food. Nice warm food. Comfort food.
So let's get started.
Okay. So,
Neil, you grab the cheese.
Mr. Neil, you're going to be working on the grilled cheese. We'll start the skillet.
Potato, I can do the onion if you like.
Okay. The sweet potato. I guess we both have to peel ours. Don't
Okay, so you slice the butter. Wait, let's turn this.
Do you like sweet potatoes?
I've never tried it before.
Really? One of my favorite things. We used to always have them. My mother used to like to make sweet potatoes with marshmallows and apricots. I think you're going to get there faster than me. How's this reading coming?
It's really hard.
Yeah.
Good job.
There we go. At least that's one.
One sweet potato done.
One sweet potato is at least peeled.
So we're just waiting for the butter to melt.
Yeah.
Don't you move the butter to melt?
It's not.
Is it on?
We took cooking classes once from a chef. He said that you need to make sure that any vegetables you put into a soup or a stew or anything always have to be just bite-sized. Oh, no crying. It's not a sad
Percy's
occasion.
crying.
It's a happy occasion.
I'm always wondering why does the onions kind of make you feel like you're crying?
There's got to be something in the onion itself, right? It's a good thing to look up. You'll have to Google that later. Why do onions make me cry?
Okay, now it's time to put the bread on.
Okay.
When you start chopping it?
Turn it the other way.
Go right
Like
ahead.
this.
You
Another
want to chop
here.
down first? I don't know how you chop best.
There we go. Perfect.
We start putting cheese.
Oh, that looks good.
Lots and lots of cheese.
We can take a look and see.
Do a couple more later.
I think we need to wait a little bit.
Go ahead and put this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes
Okay.
while you cry.
It's okay. Everything will be all right.
Okay, while that's baking, those look good. You don't want to make them too small because
For 15 to 20 minutes.
let's get the peel out of here without you cutting off my fingers.
I'm not.
No, you're very skilled with
Really?
it tonight. Doing really well.
Hiya.
Thank
Want to
you.
check again, see how we're doing? Getting anything toasty there or no?
No.
Not yet, huh? We'll give it a little bit longer.
Those look yummy. So then you're going to flip that one on top
I
of
know,
this
but
one, or
it's not dark enough.
we'll get another one.
Then we're making 4 grilled cheese sandwiches.
Ah. So then you're going to use one of those breads on top? And then flip it?
Yeah.
Oh. Very nice.
Good.
That's good.
Now,
I'm going to put some oil in our skillet.
there we go. That looks good.
That looks good.
There we go.
Now it's starting to cook.
Yum. And we'll let the oil heat
Keep
up
this
a
in
while
there.
while you're frying stuff.
Do it a little bit longer. Okay.
Look at our grilled cheese.
Oh, that looks so yummy.
Okay, let's put that one on.
When I was in school, that was my favorite lunch. It was grilled cheese and tomato soup.
Okay.
And the last
Okay,
one.
we got it.
Let's a little bit.
That
Put
looks
our
good.
ingredients in.
Okay, a couple minutes.
Beautifully done.
And you want to
That's our ingredients.
a little more time.
That's what's nice about a skillet, or sometimes if you do a breakfast scramble, you just throw everything in and it just gets all the flavors mixed up beautifully. Okay, I'm gonna put some of that onion in there.
It's done.
Okay.
This is a big dish.
It's really done.
That's
That's finished.
Yeah.
One of the things we're adding is
It's alright. Have this.
our chickpeas, or also called garbanzo beans. The smell of cooking is always so good.
This is.
So we're going to add in our garbanzo beans and our black beans. Sure. Beautiful.
So did you used to cook this meal or?
I've made scrambles before. I've never made a skillet like this, which is basically you can use a main dish or a side dish, right? Okay. And you want to get something else, and I'll go check on our potatoes. See if
This
this
one is good.
Looking good, yeah, I like the way you're mixing it. Are you finished with the oil?
Okay, we want to add our tomatoes.
Tomatoes, my favorite tomatoes.
And if you want to, you can always add a little of your own seasoning, whatever you wish that to be. We're just going to put a little in here.
I think this might be like a taco seasoning.
You can use taco seasoning or seasoning of your choice. You can add your own cumin or paprika or anything that
Or
you
no seasoning.
or salt and or no seasoning, and just let the vegetables do the seasoning themselves. That's correct. Yum. Delish. It's so nice to have nice hot meals for cold weather. And we have our limes and some cilantro. Yes. Yummy. Stir off a little bit of the cilantro. Okay, and we have our finished product now. We're just using specifically the chutney as a side dish, so we can either top it on here or we can top it on your sandwiches and do the same over here. And there you have some absolutely lovely meal. Okay, let's clean up first. We always want to make sure that we clean up. I'll take care of this and I'll get myself some.
Fine.
Beautifully done. You want to cut mine too,
Yes,
sir?
please. Excuse me.
Wow, I'm so glad you gave us the opportunity to join you today. This is a lovely experience. Want yours cut in half or left with it?
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss Lenny. Thank you, Mr. Neal, for coming and cooking with us today.
Thank you for
You're very
having
welcome.
us. Yum. And you get the flavor of all the fresh vegetables, which is really good. And sweet potatoes.
Miss Lenny, Mr. Neal, how'd you get into fossil hunting?
Well, I wasn't always a fossil hunter. I like minerals. And I started, and then we went to Canada one year and we found,
I thought it was so fascinating to have something in your hand that was millions of years old,
and
no one else had ever touched. And then we actually went across country once, and we were still on kind of looking at minerals as well. And they would pull up at the end of the day, and in those days they had station wagons, and they would open them up and show all the fossils and minerals that they found.
And then they sell it?
This was a
Found
campground.
it
We were
so
camping.
fascinating. Yeah, we went camping and found it, and the people would show us all these fossils they found, and it was just amazing. Got us started, got us hooked, just like you are.
Kind of neat that when you find a shark's tooth that that's 15, 20 million years old, that you're the first person to hold that
In your hand.
in your hand. And
So you're actually holding history. Thank you again for having us.
Thank
yes,
you for coming.
this was great.
Sure, anytime. Call us again sometime. Actually, what is your favorite kind of chutney? Of all the chutneys that you guys make,
RJ likes everything.
you have a favorite?
No,
No.
I've seen all of them.
How about you?
I like green chutney a lot. That's my
Green
favorite one.
chutney. And you, Mr. Neal?
The fig.
The fig, I thought that would be your favorite. Mine pretty much too, although I must say that cranberry is awesome.
Oh, this is great too. And it's a toss-up between the fig and the cranberry.
Thank you once again for coming, Mr. Neal and Miss Sunny.
Oh, pleasure.
We look forward to another time.
Me too. Okay.
Delicious. I think I was hungry.